In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Volvo V70 key fob. It's very easy to do. You can do it yourself at home. All you'll need is a CR2032 battery. You can find these online and they're pretty cheap. If you're interested, you can go check out that first link down in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. And the other thing you will need is a special kind of screwdriver. It's a Torx screwdriver. So you can see on the back, it's got this star-shaped screw. So you will need a special kind of screwdriver to remove that. And in the description, there will be a link to a Torx style screwdriver that will fit this screw as well. So you can go check that out. Once you have everything you need, first step is just to remove the screw on the back. So go ahead and pull that out. From here, we just pry this thing open from the bottom. As you can see, there are these two tabs on the top, so don't just rip it open. You kind of want to open and push up off of those tabs. And now that we are inside, you can just use the same screwdriver, fingernail, whatever, to gently pry the battery up and out of place. And when you're putting in your new battery, which is a 2032, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. And just press that into place. And when you're putting the back on, again, we have to be mindful of these tabs on the top. So first, push it down onto the tabs, and then you can snap it down on the bottom there and put the screw back in. And there it is. That's all it takes to put a new battery in your key fob. I hope you found that helpful. And if you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.